The Parts tab displays a list of systems and components included on the product and is similar to the product structure view in SIS Web. If multiple configurations are available for your product, you can switch between them using the drop-down just above the systems and components. When switching to a different configuration, the systems and components list will update to reflect that change. By default, this will be set to all configurations, and a combination of all systems and components for all available configurations will be displayed. The Repair tab is displayed only when information is available for a specific serial number. It contains maintenance interval procedures and service options when available. This information is owned by the Service Options Collaborator team, and support can be requested from that team from the links displayed here. The Service tab displays all available service information for the product and is similar to the document structure view in SysWeb.